Okay, number 4. This one's going to be a little bit more involved because we can see that vertex form could be easily grasped quickly, but my answers are in standard form, so that requires an extra skill. And so here's how we have to do it. First of all, let's grab this point here. Looks like we are going over. Looks like we are at 2. And we go, let's see, it goes by 20, so that is 45. Now, can I detect an A? When I move over 1, it looks like I go down 5. I go down 5. And that's fine, because notice, these are all negative 5A's, right? So, because I already know it, I know it's not down 1 over 1, okay? So it can't be C. So my A is going to be negative 5. So there's nothing for me to solve there, okay? So here's the cool thing. I have my A. I don't need an extra point. I've already figured it out. So here's what we can do. We're going to go algebraically, negative 5A, which is our A, x minus 2 squared plus 45. All right? So with this, though, this does not match this. So where are all these other numbers coming from? Well, it means that I have to FOIL. Now, remember the long formula that we did? Those of you in third hour did not see this today because you were doing your writing prompt. But if I actually have this guy here, I have to square him first. And so I need to do this. I need to kind of put brackets and have x minus 2 times x minus 2. I got to square him out before I figure out what he is in standard form. So y equals negative 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and FOIL this out. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Then negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay? Now that's fine. I'm going to keep going. Now what I have is I have like terms on the inside. So that's negative 5. And then I have x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 45. Alright, now I distribute the negative 5. So y equals negative 5x squared minus 20x minus 20 plus 45. Now these two guys I can combine because they are like terms. So therefore, negative 5x squared minus 20x, these two together is a positive 25. All right, and that is standard form, and it looks like that's D. All right. All right, so this last one, function g is a transformation of the parent function f of x equals x squared. The graph of g is a translation right 3 units. Okay. Right 3 units. Okay, it's got to go down 5. Oh, I put plus. Oh, no eraser. Down 5. And it looks like that's it. Okay, now it wants what's the equation of the function g written in the form of this, which is standard form. So I do the same thing. I square this out. X minus 3 times x minus 3 minus 5. But I do have to take care of these parentheses first, so I'm going to FOIL x squared, negative 3x. This will also be negative 3x. That will be plus 9. And then we still have a minus 5. Now I've got two sets of like terms that I need to do. X squared minus 6x. And then this would be plus 4. Alright? So this is my standard form. Now make sure that you do put your y equals. He is part of the standard form. Okay? That's our final answer. Now what we're going to be doing not tomorrow, but the day after, we're going to look at this, and we're going to try to go backwards to vertex form in a process called completing the square. But that is not on your quiz. All right, so here we go, and we'll call that. Good luck, everybody.